Here we introduce the operation method of the Tumble washing machine door endurance testing system. First, put the washing machine on the operating platform. The hinged side of the washing machine door should be placed near the white post. After the washing machine is placed, align the hinge center of the washing machine door with the rotation center of the manipulator. After alignment, shake the left, right and rear handwheels to fix the washing machine. After fixing, the washing machine is installed. After the installation is complete, install the washing machine button cylinder. The cylinder installed above used to control the start and stop buttons. If the start and stop buttons are separate, align the two cylinders with the start and stop buttons respectively. If the start and stop are the same one button, just align the cylinder of the start button with the one. Below is the mechanical door lock cylinder, which is used for pressing the door lock. Align the cylinder with the door lock. If some door locks are buckled inwards, open from the inside to the outside, you need to use this white bow cylinder to open the washing machine door. Then we introduce the connection of the control line and air pipe. First we connect the control line. The control line socket is at the back of the control cabinet. Connect the corresponding aviation plug according to the number of the label. After the control line is connected, connect the air source. Connect the air supply to this air supply processor. Then insert the plug of the washing machine into the socket. Debugging after the control line and the air pipe are connected. Enter the endurance test manual screen. Confirm that the position of the cylinder is properly installed. If the cylinder can be pressed to the button, the installation is in place. Confirm whether the door lock cylinder is installed in place. Open the suction cup to hold the washing machine door. Manually open and close back and forth to see if it is smooth. Enter the parameter screen. Automatic line speed display, real-time display the automatic speed. Open close angle, set the rotation angle of the robot arm. Automatic speed, set the rotation speed of the robot arm in automatic state. Test times, set the number of times to open and close the door and cover. Power on times, set the number of times the washing machine is powered on, or the number of times the power button is pressed. Stat delay time, set the waiting time for the washing machine to enter the operating state after pressing the start button. Unlock delay time, set the waiting time for the interlock to be unlocked after the washing machine enters the pause state. Button pressing time, set the maintain time of the cylinder after pressing the washing machine start pause button. Opening hold time, set the maintain time of the door after the washing machine door is opened at the setting angle. Closing hold time, set the maintain time of the door after the washing machine door is closed at the setting angle. Open force, set the output force when the motor opens the door. Close force, set the output force when the motor closes the door. Door diameter, the distance from the door hinge of the washing machine to the edge of the door. Set the diameter of the door and automatically calculate the linear speed of the door edge. Power selection, press this button to be on. The system supply power to the test sample. Start stop is same button. No means start and stop is not the same button. Yes means start and stop functions are implemented by the same button. Door opening direction, to choose which side is the door opening direction, left or right. Door lock, no means the sample has no mechanical door lock. Yes means it has the mechanical door lock. After the parameters are set, click start to start endurance test. Then we introduce the operation of the pull test. First, suck up the washing machine door. Enter the pull test parameter screen. Set automatic speed. Set 5x force test times. Set 10x force test times. Set machine running time. The 5x force setting value is the value obtained by multiplying the actual measured force to open the washing machine door by 5, with a minimum of 50 N and a maximum of 200 N. The 10x force setting value is the value obtained by multiplying the actual measured force to open the washing machine door by 10, with a minimum of 50 N and a maximum of 200 N. Pull force continuous time after the force is reached. It can maintain the set time. Power selection, press this button to be on. The system supply power to the test sample. Start stop is same button. No means start and stop is not the same button. Yes means start and stop functions are implemented by the same button. Door opening direction, to choose which side is the door opening direction, left or right. This washing machine opens the door on the right, so select right. Then open the suction cup to suck the washing machine door. Click angle clear button after the parameters are set. In the pull test curve screen, you can see the change of the pull force value. After the 5x force test is completed, The 10x force test will be performed. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.